Hi, this is Rachel from Gamer, and today I'm going to show you how to use our treasure hunt creator. So, from the home screen of the app, you're going to press the plus button in the bottom right hand corner. And then press continue to play the treasure hunt creator. Click on create. On this screen, we're going to click which coin we want and where we're going to hide it and give people a clue so that they can find it. So, choose a coin and then point at the object where you would like to hide it. All right, and then press confirm and enter a clue about where people can find your coin so that they know where to look. I'm going to write map. Let's hide our next coin. So choose coin and then select the coin you want to hide. And here's a banner of my cat's name, Claude. I'm going to hide my coin here. Click confirm and then give people a clue so that they can find your coin. Claude, not clued. All right, and then press the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner. Hand your device to a friend to play your treasure hunt. Click play. You found the first coin. Spot on. You found the second coin. Nice going. You found the treasure. What a pleasure.